need a haircut. Good morning, my loves. So it is breakfast time and I'm going to be making a egg pesto sandwich. Let's go. Got some mayo. Just taking key. I'm getting a little bit peckish, so I just picked up these two cold rolls. They're just prawn cold rolls. Usually they would give peanut sauce, but the place I went to didn't, so I'm just gonna make my own and I'm pretty much winging it. Trying not to make too much because I only have two cold rolls. So first we've got some peanut butter. Just going to drizzle some maple syrup. I've got some sriracha, a little bit of soy sauce, ginger, and a little bit of garlic. And I'm going to put in some lemon juice. And I've just mixed it up and this is what it looks like. I was getting quite hungry when I was doing my grocery shopping, so this is why I decided to get them. I was going to eat them there, but then I was like, no, might as well take them home, you know, relax and have a bit of a nice break before we start cooking dinner. Oh, they're stuck together. Let's dip them in the sauce. These have been my latest obsession. I tried to make them at home for the first time and I completely failed. So I just buy them until I can perfect my way of making the cold rolls. So I just got ready for the day. I usually like to cook the dinner pretty much early on so later on I can relax and just look forward to eating. And usually when I cook, I make a couple of dishes because it lasts me a few days because I don't like to cook every day. I feel like a little bit of Asian food today. I'm going to be making japchea. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. And I'm also going to be making some pho. I have been obsessed with like noodle soups. I have lately been in love with hot pot, and I love that you can chuck in all the veggies and it can be quite healthy. So yeah, I haven't tried pho yet. I'm going with a similar vibe. I mean, I feel like I'm not going to be making it in the most authentic way, but I am definitely going to give it a go. I'm pretty much winging it, but I'm following like a couple of recipes, so let's see how it turns out. We've got our beef, which is already pre-cut. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of sugar, some pepper, then 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and I'm just going to mix this around so it's pretty well coated, and we're just going to pop this in the fridge while we prepare the rest of the ingredients. I'm just going to wash all my veggies so all the washing will be finished all together. I don't know what's up with these carrots. They are so hard. Or maybe just my knife is not the best. But it's usually okay. I don't know what's going on. It is what it is. And I'm sort of using a little bit of broccoli as well, just because it's in my fridge, and if I don't use it, it's gonna go bad. I'm also boiling the broccoli as well, just to soften it a little bit. I don't want to boil it too much because I still want it to be a little bit crunchy. I've also got a green capsicum. Also got some spring onions that I'm going to cut, just in big chunks like these. These are my vegetables all cut up. I love how raw vegetables look so colorful. I'm just softening up some spinach. I really tried to find Chinese spinach, but I just couldn't, so I just had to get the normal one. So this is the full packet of spinach. Isn't it crazy how it decreases in size so much? Now what I'm going to do is just add a dash of soy sauce and sesame oil. That might have been a bit too much. And just mix that. I picked up this tempura seaweed with sesame grain. So good. We're going to start on the noodles. These are the sweet potato noodles. These are so good. But look how long they are. They're literally folded in half. Pew, pew, pew. I don't even know how much I need. I'm going to add some oil, and we're going to start frying our vegetables. The green onion first with the onions. Mushrooms. The carrots, also the capsicum. I love these two colors together, they look so pretty. And this is my first time making the sweet potato noodles, and I hope that I don't stuff it up. And because they are so large and in charge, look how long they are. I am going to cut them a little bit. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. What? And 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. I'm gonna mix that around. I also fried some bok choy and Chinese cabbage. I almost forgot about the beef, so we're gonna add that in.
Oh my, isn't it pretty?
It's really coming together. This is, oh, get rid of my snack. Look. Okay, so we've got our broth cooking over here. I have put some stuff in there already and I forgot to film. So I've got some fish sauce in here, some sugar, some salt. I've got the onions here. And we're just gonna let this boil for a little while until we can taste all of the flavors. I am going to fry the beef because I feel like my beef is not thin enough for it to cook properly in the hot broth. Just going to add some spices to our broth. So I feel like it's almost done. So I have added some sweet potato noodles in here because I already had them, the beef, onion and the carrot. I'm also going to add some broccoli, some Chinese cabbage, and I'm also adding some bok choy. And that's my mix. Some spring onions. Here is my dinner. This bowl, how cute is it, by the way? It's from Target and it has a little slot for your chopsticks to go in. So this is the pho and it actually smells really nice. And then over here I've just got a plate of toppings, some jalapenos, got some spring onion, basil, lime, lemon. I didn't have lime. Got some coriander, some hoisin sauce and some sriracha sauce as well, so I'm just going to dip in as I go along. Okay, let's give this a go. I'm just gonna put everything on the spoon. Some sriracha, some hoisin sauce, basil, noodles. Wow, that's really nice. I think the mixture of hoisin sauce and sriracha also makes a big difference. I am really liking that as well. These noodles are so slippery. I feel a bit peckish, so I'm going to make a snack. I'm gonna make some corn. I'm gonna do 2 corns. This is one of my favorite snacks and it's so healthy, it's full of flavor, it's not boring. I love it. You can even get like the frozen. No. The only downside is that it takes a little while to cook. Okay, so these are the 2 corns. You have a little lemon. And then I have my red chili powder. So pretty much what you do is you take the lemon, you dip it into the chili powder. Then you just coat the corn and squeeze a little bit as well, so the lemon gets on there. It's delicious!
Like this, split up. Here.
I'm disappointed in you. That's what I was gonna say.
Come here, bye-bye. I love you.